So I'm gonna walk you through how to make this super easy brie toast with caramelized shallots on top. It's really tasty, really delicious, and a great like Brie Crostini appetizer for parties and events that might be coming up near you. I don't know what time of year you're listening to this. So anyway, just add some diced shallots and some olive oil to a pan and start to stir them regularly. This is going to go on for about 5 to 10 minutes. The pan should be on medium high, but once you add the salt just a couple minutes into it, you might want to reduce the heat to medium because since they're diced shallots, they're going to cook up very quickly. Then just set them aside when they're browned to your desired level. And get your baguette or your ciabatta or whatever sort of bread you're using for the toast ready. So this one was actually sent to me. I was testing it out for a recipe and I had to bake the bread from frozen first. But you could just use fresh baguette and add your sliced brie on top of that. So anyways, when it was ready, I sliced this delicious bread. It was so good. And then I started making the toast. Now you could put these toasts in the oven and you could bake them at like 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes, and that would be really tasty. Or you could pop them in the toaster oven or whatever you'd like. I think since this was just fresh bread and it was already warmed up, it was great to put the brie on right there. I think really fresh, chewy bread is always a good idea, and then you can kind of prep this before people come over for a party and just smother on those diced shallots right on top. Now you could finish this with some honey or some balsamic vinaigrette or balsamic vinegar, like a balsamic glaze or some fresh herbs. Get the full recipe at Sip Bite to Go. Cheers!